Part of the lake. I need to get some fuel in the tank of this boat and get a couple beverages at the gas station, and we'll be on our way. I'm gonna make a decision if I'm going to K-Dock or to River Run when I get there. River Run's a skosh closer. That's some skinny water right now up there though, and I don't know really what's running at the dam. There's people up there fishing, but I really don't know what they're getting into. I think I'm gonna go to K-Dock and we'll head towards Arkansas. On the way to the lake today, I made a colossal mistake. You're gonna see. I go in to go get gas. I buy my Sprite Zeros. I throw them in the boat, and then I go get in the truck and I drive away. And I drive for about 5 minutes, and it was at that point I realized I screwed up. And big 180, and I call them. You guys can't. The camera's on the boat, and so you guys can't hear me. But I call the service station, and I'm like, "Hey, I just paid for gas, but I never pumped it. Has anybody used the pump?" And they're like, "Oh, we'll fix it." And I was like, not so sure. So I hauled ass back. Pull in there, no one's there. I pull up and put the pump in. No one had bought gas in the 5 minutes. So, man, old age was setting in. But then I went fishing. Here's what happened. I've given up on the crappie right now. I'm trying to catch anything that will bite my lure for the time being. We have about an hour and a half left or less. Got him. Oh, I lost him. He's still there. Come back. Got him. Oh, you guys, we got one. Oh, what is it? It's a bass. Come in. Whew. Look at that. Okay, we got one species down, and it's a largemouth. Very cold. 10-inch largemouth. Not a keeper here at the Bull, but we got one, you guys. Okay. We're batting 1,000 in 2026. This is great news. Got him. All right, that's species number 2, and that's actually a keeper bass here. This is a spotted bass. Nice little Kentucky spot. All right, we got 2 species. We need one more. Got about an hour of daylight. That's a good one. That's a nice. Hello. That's a good one. Look at that. Boom. Nice largemouth. Healthy on the little turd. When the fishing gets slow, put a turd on. If you don't know what that is, it's just a Ned rig. $163 more to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.